Here are the 8 steps to closing your first commercial deal. Step number 1, licensing requirements. We get asked this question all the time. So the answer is yes and no. You do need a license for certain lenders. However, some lenders don't require it. So you don't technically need to be licensed to do commercial loans and be a broker. Step number 2, finding your clients. Well, how do you find your clients? This is very simple. Whether it's through a residential lender, whether it's a banker that declined a loan, whether it's a CPA, whether it's networking events, there are so many different ways to find your clients. I typically like to use bankers that work at big banks. I connect with them and I let them know, hey, do you have any declines of any deals that we could look at? I reach out to CPAs. I let them know, do you have any business owners that are looking to currently buy? We do commercial financing and networking events, marketing. All these are great tools to be able to find your clients. Step number 3, choosing the right loan product for your client. This is very important because there are so many loan products that are out there. So you want to make sure that you ask your client, what type of loan product are you interested in? Some of them like short terms, some of them like longer terms. So it just really depends on the right loan product for your client. Step number 4, the loan scenario. You want to know exactly what is their end goal. What are they looking to do? What are they looking to buy or refinance? Are they looking to pull some cash out? What is a full loan scenario? That way you understand the borrower, you understand the asset, and you know what lender you're going to be taking that scenario to. Step number 5, loan supporting documents. You want to make sure that you have an understanding of what documents need to be collected in order to do that loan. For example, if it's an SBA loan, you need 3 years of business taxes, 3 years of personal taxes of all borrowers over 25% or more of ownership. You need a personal financial statement. You need so many different documents depending on the loan that you are doing. So loan supporting documents are very important. Step number 6, negotiating the rate and the term with the lender. So when you get through the negotiating process, you want to make sure that you are shopping the loan for your borrower and that you also have several options for them to choose from, because every lender has a different term and different rates, of course. Step number 7, underwriting the deal. You want to make sure that you, of course, are getting a good understanding of where the borrower is, whether the property cash flows or not. And this is why we have our calculators in this program, to make sure that you are also doing your own homework before you take it to the lender. However, you want to make sure that the lender is doing the underwriting and the calculations, because at the end of the day, they can see whether that property or whether that scenario is going to debt service or not. So that is very important for you to understand, and also for them to work their numbers and to let you know what's the max that they can lend on for that scenario. And step number 8, closing the deal. This is where you get paid, and this is where everybody is happy and the transaction is finalized. So good luck out there, and I'm happy that you guys have joined this program.